All right, this is for English 12, Tuesday, February 16th. We're going to go ahead and work on the APA paper today, and then hopefully we can get back to 1984 either tomorrow or when we get back to school. So what I'd like you to do is find one new source based on your paper topic. A few of you have still not sent that to me. So please do that so I can give you the okay. When we get back to school, I'll give you your inquiry question. So I'll meet with you personally, individually when we get back. Hopefully we can, do that this week and finish up the novel. So go ahead and find an article. Make sure it's only, 2-3 screens long at most. It doesn't need to be super duper long. Okay, so go ahead and copy and paste that URL. It doesn't necessarily have to be opposing or opposite of your previous sources, based on whatever topic you've chosen. Just somebody's, opinion, their different take about that topic. Okay, so, for instance, a couple of people are doing drinking age, should be 21 or 18 or something like that. So, they might have somebody that argues for 18, they might have somebody that argues for 21, and this source could be somewhere in the middle, or maybe they have a different take. Okay, so again, you know what your topic is, so hopefully find something that's going to be useful. Okay, so as you're reading, just maybe at the end of each paragraph or every couple of paragraphs, summarize what the article is saying for just a total of about 4 sentences. Okay, is what I would like. Last time a lot of people did not do that, so please do that this time. And then underneath that summary, give me your opinion about that particular writer's take on your topic. So do you agree, disagree? Do they bring up some good points or ideas? Something. Give me something. A couple of sentences for that, please. And separate them so I can see them. All right. So you can type this up with your previous work. Hopefully you have an APA doc at this point. Like I said, we're kind of off of the 1984 scroll at this point. We're moving on to the next one. And as always, send us a PDF through email, please. Okay? If you got any questions, email me. Later.